Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, I recently came across a pretty bold AI platform that's been getting some attention, and I just had to dig deeper. It's called AI MultiMinds, and honestly, the marketing behind it is intense. It promises to change the way we use AI for content creation by giving you access to over 100 different AI models all in one place. Sounds wild, right? Well, I tried it out, did my homework, and today I'm sharing everything I found so you can decide if it's really worth your time or just another overhyped tool. Let's start with what AI MultiMinds claims to be. According to the creators, this is not just a content generator. They say it's an all-in-one dashboard that combines the power of some of the world's most advanced and even hidden AI models. And they name-drop a lot. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Grok, Leonardo, Stable Diffusion, and some I've never even heard of, like WaveSpeed and Minax. The pitch here is that instead of relying on just one AI brain, you get this whole squad of different AIs, each with its own strengths, and that combo is supposed to create way more authentic, diverse, and engaging content. One of the biggest claims they make is that generic AI-generated content is starting to fail. And honestly, I get it. I've seen it too. So many posts, videos, and even email campaigns sound like they came out of the same template. When everyone's using the same tools, it's no surprise the output starts to blur together. AI MultiMinds is trying to fix that by letting you mix different voices, data styles, and creative directions in a single piece of content. In theory, that's a solid idea. Now let's talk about the interface. It's actually more user-friendly than I expected. You don't need to be a coder or tech geek to figure it out. The dashboard is pretty intuitive. You can select your prompt, choose which AI models to combine, and tweak the final result without needing to jump between tabs or tools. The creators call this system their 3C tech, which supposedly analyzes and fuses the content into one cohesive output. I couldn't find much technical info on what that actually means behind the scenes, so it might just be a fancy label for a comparison and remix process, but functionally, it does work pretty well. Where it gets interesting is the claim that this platform protects you from copyright issues. The founder shared a personal story about getting a copyright notice for an AI-generated image, and it seems like that was part of the motivation behind creating MultiMinds. The idea is that by using lesser-known or uniquely trained models, you reduce the risk of producing content that someone else might already have posted. Again, a good idea in theory, but keep in mind that no AI tool can guarantee 100% legal safety. It still comes down to how you use the content, especially with visuals and commercial projects. Performance-wise, it does a decent job. I tested it on some blog content, a few social media posts, and even a video script like the one you're watching now. I noticed that when I used combinations of lesser-known models, the tone and vocabulary felt noticeably different from what I'd normally get with just ChatGPT or Gemini. That uniqueness can be a game changer if you're trying to stand out, especially in marketing or content-heavy niches. But let's be real, not every output is gold. Some responses were off or needed heavy editing, and that's something to keep in mind. This isn't a plug-and-play miracle machine. You still need a human touch to shape the content. They're offering a lifetime access deal right now, and that's where the aggressive marketing really kicks in. You hear a lot of phrases like limited time only, never offered again, dominate your niche, and things like that. Personally, I think that kind of pressure tactic can be a turnoff. But if you're someone who creates a lot of content and you're currently juggling multiple tools or subscriptions, this could be a cost-effective option, assuming they keep updating it and maintain the quality of those AI model integrations over time. So, is AI MultiMinds worth it? If you're curious, it might be. It's different. It's built on a smart idea, and it's trying to solve a real problem. But just like any tool, it's not a magic solution. You still need to think creatively, guide the AI properly, and most importantly, Stay true to your voice. AI should be your sidekick, not your replacement. Let me know in the comments if you've tried it or if you're thinking about giving it a shot. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest tech and AI reviews. I'll see you in the next one.